MacBook gaming, retro, modern, unboxings, and all things geek.
Subscribe to Damien Plays and Stuff and hit the like button.
Migration Assistant makes a copy of important content, like your browser bookmarks, files, contacts, calendars, and photos, to transfer from your PC to your Mac. Here's how to transfer your data. Before you start, make sure your PC is up to date. Migration Assistant works with Windows 7 or later. You also need to know the administrator account name and password for the PC you are transferring from, which is the password needed to install software updates. This might be the same password you use to log into your PC. Make sure both your PC and your Mac are connected to power and near each other. If antivirus, firewall, or VPN software is in use on either computer, turn off that software until you're done. Check the Wi-Fi network your PC is on. You'll need to select the same network when you set up your Mac. Ready? Let's get started. Turn on your Mac and begin setting it up. During the setup process, Migration Assistant appears and asks how you want to transfer your data. Select From a Windows PC and click Continue and follow the prompts. A 6-digit code appears on your Mac, along with instruction for downloading Migration Assistant on your PC. Next, open a web browser on your PC and go to apple.com/migrate-to-Mac and click the Migration Assistant link that corresponds to the version of Mac OS on your Mac. Then, download and install Migration Assistant. Quit any open apps on your PC and open Migration Assistant if it didn't open automatically, and click Continue. A message might appear recommending that you update your PC to the latest version of Windows. When you're ready to proceed, click Continue and follow the prompts. Enter the code from your Mac to your PC and click Continue on your PC. Then, wait for Migration Assistant to gather all of the transferable information. On your Mac, this information appears and will be the default selection. Click Continue to proceed. Next, create an administrator password. Click Set Password and enter a password. Be sure to make a note of it so you can use it to log in to your Mac. Select the Confirm Password field and enter the password again. Then click Set Password. When a green check mark appears next to your account name, click Continue and the transfer will begin. Follow the prompts, which might include reviewing and accepting the terms and conditions in order to continue. If you agree, click Agree to confirm. Click Agree again and wait for the transfer to begin. It could take several hours for large transfers to complete depending on the amount of data transferring. Leave both computers alone during the transfer process. On your Mac, the screen might go black or dim, and the Apple logo and a loading bar might appear. This is normal. Once the transfer is complete, your Mac will automatically restart. Or click Restart Now to restart it manually. While your Mac is restarting, the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears. Wait for the migration to finish. Then, click Done on your Mac to restart it again. This completes the Migration Assistant process. On your PC, click Quit in Migration Assistant. This computer still has the same information it had before the transfer. Now your important data is transferred to your Mac. Using the password you created earlier, you can log into your Mac to complete the setup process. And that's how you transfer your data with Migration Assistant.
Subscribe to Damian Plays and Stuff and hit the like button.